If you want to lock or unlock your apps on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, you have to set up a secure folder. We have videos on that. You'll find the link in the description. So set it up. You will need this. Great. Now let's open up our secure folder. So in order to add up and lock some application here, we will need to press plus and then locate the desired application. For example, Facebook. Press add. Now our Facebook is in. Keep in mind that this locked version is gonna be your second. It's gonna be a copy of the original version, because basically what secure folder does, it creates a copy of the application which you chose, right? And it locks it. So it creates a secure copy. When you're leaving, or if you want your secure folder to be closed, simply press lock and exit. And now anytime when we're gonna enter it, we will need to enter our password, right? Easy as that. If you want to delete some application out of it, simply hold it, press uninstall, press OK, and it will disappear from your secure folder. And basically that's how it works. Also, all the data, all the media of this secure folder version applications, right, it's gonna be only here between you and secure folder. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.